Hi, my name is Terry Clark. I'm a certified fitness trainer. Today I want to talk to you about uh, the biggest reason why most people don't reach their fitness goals, whether it's burning body fat or whether it's building muscle. Okay, the biggest reason why people don't reach their fitness goals is because of motivation. Okay, and it's not because they lack motivation, but it's because they fail to identify what is motivating them to burn body fat or what is motivating them to gain muscle. Okay, so motivation is that thing that drives you at the beginning. It's not the outcome or the result. Okay, so getting bigger muscles will not be motivation. That's an end result. Losing weight is not motivation. That's an end result. Okay, motivations are based upon your feelings. Okay, what is it that you like? What is it that you want? What is it that you're in love with? Okay, so a person might be motivated to burn body fat so that they can feel good about themselves, or so that when they look in the mirror, they'll love what they see, or that they'll like what they see. Okay, a person may be motivated to build muscles because they love it when the opposite sex pays them attention. Okay, a person may be motivated to lose weight because they want to be around for their kids and they want to be around for their loved ones. Okay, so notice those words that I'm using to determine what the motivation is. Motivation is about like, want, and love. Okay, it has nothing to do with the outcome or the result. Okay, if you go in the gym and you say, hey, I want to lose weight, okay, that's not motivation, that's an outcome. Okay, and if you're focused on that, just I want to lose weight, and not reminding yourself of why you're really there, you're not going to be able to stay committed to that regimen. Okay, so it's important to remember you need to figure out exactly what is it that's motivating you. Why do you want to burn body fat? Why do you want to lose weight? Okay, why do you want to build muscle? Okay, do you want to build muscle? Okay, because you want to feel young again, wanting to be bigger or wanting to be stronger. Those are outcomes. Okay, if you lift weights, you're gonna get stronger. You're gonna get bigger. So that's the outcome that you're looking for. But what is that motivation? That intrinsic motivation. What is that thing on the inside of you that's got you wanting to be bigger? That's got you wanting to be stronger? If you want to commit to your goals and accomplish your goals, okay, figure out what's motivating you. Okay, and then remind yourself every day when you wake up, this is the reason why I'm doing this. Okay, I'm doing this because I want to live long, so that I can be around for my kids and my spouse. Okay, I'm doing this because I love how I feel. So those are motivations. Okay, and that's what you want to focus in on. Okay, and that's what's going to determine whether you achieve your goal as far as burning body fat or building muscle.